All right, guys, so today you have a unit review that you have to do. And if you have a hard time answering these questions, or if you need a little refresher, there's a few things that you are going to have to do. First thing, open up the unit review. So you'll click on Tuesday and you'll click this review button. Now, keep in mind, yours looks a little different than mine because mine's like the actual teacher setup. So once you click this review, you'll actually be prompted to start your attempt. You'll be prompted to say, start new attempt. So go ahead and do that. Now, you're going to want to have these questions side by side with your PowerPoint or with your lessons, whatever you need. If you're at home, you should have been taking notes every day. If you've been in school, I know we've taken notes, so just go ahead and get that out, set it to the side. You're going to have a whole new, you're going to have this whole tab open up again. So I'm actually going to copy and paste the same Schoology tab side by side, so that way I can view all of my materials at the same time. So let's say, for instance, I need to answer this first question. It says, what is an economic system? Give 2 examples of economic systems. So I remember, we learned about those last week. I'm going to have to go to my previous week or look in my notes and click and find the PowerPoint. Now this could be a little time consuming, but each one of those is labeled. So here's type of economy. So open up the PowerPoint, have them side by side. So I'm going to kind of pull this so you can kind of see what I'm seeing and kind of what you should be doing too. So again, side by side, and you can have them kind of like, see how I'm kind of doing this? I know it takes a little bit. It's kind of a nuisance, but it'll be very helpful. So I'm going to kind of go through the PowerPoint and I'm going to be like, okay, I need to know the different types of economy. Okay, what is an economic system? Okay, different types of economic. What is an economic system? Refers to the framework of formal and informal rules. So this is something you could be typing in here. All of this stuff comes from your notes. You're just going to have to go back and find it, find where it talks about this. So here's a different type of economic systems. And we created these to be helpful, which meaning they should be, I guess, kind of in the order that you went over them. So economic systems, the only one would be the industries. We went over that on Monday. So you might need to kind of refer back to Monday's PowerPoint for those. But look through these and answer the questions that best fit this type of industry. So this is goods and services industry. This one talks about the factors of production, and lists in ABC order, and I even gave you the words. You're just going to drag and drop, but make sure you put them in the right order. So this one would be blank 1. Again, yours looks a little different. You'll just drag and drop. But these are the questions that you have. So open and close these PowerPoints. Now don't completely close this PowerPoint because this, my dear, is the root of all of your little things. So I'm going to kind of go back a little. Back, get that out. Oh, not that one. There he is again. All right, so types of economy. Oops, sorry, lost my stuff. There it is. There he goes. Factors of production. Okay, so I know that we talked about factors of production last week. Look, there it is. They're in order. I made them in order for you, so it would be a little easier to find. So go through, answer these, have them up side by side. You can do that on the review, not on the test. Okay? All right. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you. I know it's confusing and it can be kind of stressful, but you got this. You can do this. And please do not put plain one little sentence. What is a free enterprise system? You should be able to answer that. This question right here, what is the difference between a developed and a developing country? Please do not put a 3-word sentence. You need to explain these, and you need to be able to explain them in detail. The more you can explain, the better you're going to do on your test. What is the service industry? Give 2 examples of service industry. This is a 3-part question. What is a service industry? Then you're going to tell me 2 examples. Don't just tell me serving food. Give me some examples.